Hello and welcome to our tutorial on conflict resolution in the workplace. Conflicts are a normal part of any workplace, and learning how to effectively resolve them is essential for maintaining a positive work environment. First, let's define what we mean by conflict. Conflict refers to any disagreement, misunderstanding, or difference of opinion between two or more individuals. Conflicts can arise due to a variety of reasons such as differences in opinions, miscommunication, competition for resources, and so on. There are two types of conflicts that we need to be aware of: substantive conflicts and personal conflicts. Substantive conflicts refer to disagreements over work-related issues such as project goals, deadlines, and tasks. Personal conflicts refer to disagreements that are not work-related but may still affect the work environment, such as interpersonal relationships, personality clashes, and so on. It's important to resolve conflicts in the workplace for several reasons. Firstly, conflicts can lead to decreased productivity and morale among employees. Secondly, conflicts can cause a toxic work environment if not addressed, and can even lead to employees quitting their jobs. Now that we've established the importance of resolving conflicts, let's look at a step-by-step guide on how to effectively resolve conflicts in the workplace. Step 1. Identify the source of the conflict. Step 2. Encourage open and honest communication between the conflicting parties. Step 3. Listen actively to both sides and try to understand each person's perspective. Step 4. Brainstorm potential solutions together and evaluate the best course of action. Step 5. Agree on a solution and put a plan in place to implement it. Step 6. Follow up to ensure that the solution is working and address any issues that may arise. Conflicts are a normal part of any workplace, but with effective conflict resolution skills, you can ensure a positive and productive work environment. Remember, the key to resolving conflicts is active listening, open communication, and working together to find a mutually beneficial solution. Thanks for watching, and good luck with resolving conflicts in the workplace.